Bad Dad here with another video using the FJX Horus. Fucking playing peekaboo with this guy. Boop, there he is. I see you. He keeps sticking his head out. Man, this FJX's tac stand build is awesome for long distance. And I'll line them up. I'm like, bet. I'll go around behind the corner, plate up. Then I had a Breezer drone try to throw it. So I was way the fuck off, even with the flash. They try to do smoke, they're gonna come down. Then I see him. I was like, oh, bet. Oh, fuck, he killed my teammate. I was like, hell no. Nah, I started shooting him. He got the last kill for the dub. Like and follow. Bat Dad.